Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Rust servers not loading in the menu. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go on search and then you just need to write Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall and then click on one of the tasks here and press R until you see Rust, right? Rust, and then what you need to do here is to remove it. Then remove Rust client exe, and then we need to remove press Unity crash handler, and then you need to remove it as well. Then go on Steam, right click on Rust, go to properties, install files, browse, and then what you need to do here is to just copy the path. Once the path is copied, go back to this basically allow apps window. Then press allow another app, press browse, and then you need to add rust.exe again, press add, then add a Rust client, add, and then add again Unity crash handler exe. If you don't see exe files, you just need to basically there is an option. Wait a second. If you press on view, show, and then file name extensions, then you will see exe. And once you add these three files here to the Windows Defender firewall, your thing should be fixed. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.